Congratulations, Jyotish. Yes, inviting our next award winner, Archana Borhade. Could I please request Archana to please come up on stage? And she wins the Yup TV short film contest for her movie, Bhopal Diaries 2012. Congratulations, Archana. Here's inviting our next award winner, Asif Khan. Balaji KS, and he wins this award for his movie Odu Iravu One Night. Congratulations. Thank you very, very much, Mr. Sudhir Mishra, for joining us on stage. Could I please request you to please take your seat back in the audience? And yes, quickly announcing that all the short films shall be available on the Yup TV Bazaar platform. On that note, it's time for me to request our guest of honor, Mr. Abhishek Bachchan, to please say a few words to all of us present here.
Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Rao Saab, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, good afternoon, welcome. I'm very honored to be standing here with Mr. Reddy, who I truly believe is a pioneer and a great innovator from our own land and has made such a wonderful name for himself and the work that he's doing all over the world. Yup TV is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful company. Apart from the presentation that he's given you, to take Indian content and provide it to our expatriate audience at the press of a button is a wonderful service, I believe. I'm from the entertainment industry, and it means a lot to us that he is an enabler to get our work to our expat audience, not only in the West, but now world over, and now we hope to bring it to India as we have today. And not only that, but to win the Red Herring top 100 companies globally is a huge honor. This is an honor which has previously been won by companies like Google and Facebook. And his being one of the first ever Indian companies to be honored is something that which is of great pride, not only to him, but I feel for the entire nation. To have an app which allows you, at the press of a button, to watch all the video content that they already have on their platform is a huge convenience to anybody in today's day and age, where our time is of huge paucity, and it's very valuable to us. So when I sat with him, obviously before this, and we were discussing about the finer details of Yup TV, to know that on your computer, on your phone, on your tablet, go into the app. If you've missed a show, press it, and there you go. It streams it. You don't need to download it either. It just streams directly from the cloud. And I think that's wonderful in today's day and age when we don't have any time. And it'll be wonderful, especially for the members of the media who do so much traveling to all these press conferences. So you can check the news at the press of a button. And I'm sure Mumbai traffic gives you a lot of time to spend time on the road to see all of this. So it's very convenient as well. Congratulations, Mr. Reddy, on Yup TV Bazaar. I think it's a wonderful initiative. To the winners of the short films, needless to say, I will be seeing them. He's promised me that he'll send me the short films that Sudhir has spent so much time watching and presenting. So many, many congratulations to you all. Keep up the great work. And we hope that instead of now just short films, we can get you all to make some full-length features as well, which you never know. By then, if Yup TV can premiere exclusively on their app. The future of entertainment is in the internet, I believe. It's digital. The day isn't far away when even full-length feature films will be premiered directly onto the internet. The accountancy, the quality is already assured. And with people like Yup TV around and in the market, you are assured of a definite streaming quality, accuracy. When you have these things at a touch of a button, why would you want to look elsewhere? So we've already discussed this yesterday, Mr. Reddy, that we hope that maybe someday we can put a project together of a A-list Indian film which we can premiere exclusively on Yup TV and for all its subscribers. That day isn't far away, and we look forward to it. Every industry has to evolve with time. And it's wonderful that in our nation and available to us, we have companies like Yup TV who are at the forefront of innovation and that are enabling a lot of young filmmakers the opportunity to go out there and exhibit their films. What's really nice is today on the internet, there's a lot of noise. There's so much content that people are shooting and putting up there that sometimes when you go onto a lot of these reputed platforms, it's very difficult to filter out what you actually want to watch, how you want to watch it. What's nice about Yup TV is that all the video content that's uploaded on it is curated. So you're being guaranteed of something that is exactly what you're looking for and the best of quality, which is so important in today's day and age. So in today's times when there's so much noise, there's so much information out there, to filter that in and to provide a platform through which you get a curated quality product is something which is very unique, especially in India. So I wish you all the very best. We're very excited to have you launch in Mumbai. You've already taken over the world, and it's high time you took over India as well. So all our good wishes to you, and we look forward to many more collaborations with you in the future. God bless you and Yup TV, and thank you very much for being here, and thank you for inviting me.
Thank you. Thank you very, very much, Mr. Abhishek Bachchan, for your enlightening thoughts and for your best wishes. And now it's truly my honor to invite on stage our
Sri Uday Reddy, CEO, Yup TV, Sri Abhishek Bachchan, popular film star, distinguished invitees from the film, television, and entertainment industry, content providers, ladies and gentlemen, and winners of the short film contest. I am extremely happy to launch the Yup TV Bazaar. I am happy for 3 reasons today. Yup TV is a global revolution created by an Indian, Mr. Uday Reddy. It has unfurled the flag of India in 5 continents and 50 countries of the world. Number 2 is, I'm happy today that I'm meeting